Hello! My name is Lene and today I'm packing my bags for 1 month in Asia. I'm going to South Korea, Japan and the Philippines and I'm very excited. I'm going in 1 week, so I'm counting the days. These are the bags that I'm packing in. Osprey 60 liters wheeled backpack, Sojourn Osprey 30 liters backpack, and a Fjällräven day pack. These are the things that I'm planning to pack, so I'll go through them with you guys. I'm not a typical light packer. We'll see how that goes today. I'm trying to get better at packing light, but it's so difficult. So for the main luggage, I bought Osprey's Sojourn 60 liters. It has wheels, quite stable wheels. You can just wheel this as a suitcase, but it also has a backpack. It's nice that you can put these straps locked in. It has one main compartment, wait, where is it? That can be opened so that it looks like a suitcase. It also has side pockets, the pocket here. I don't think I'm gonna use all of them because I find it more useful to just use the full apartment, at least when you pack in like packing cubes. And it also has one on the top here, which is nice if you need quick access to different things. So this one I'm gonna use as a hand luggage. Osprey's Sojourn 30 liters, one main compartment. It also has different pockets on the sides. Very cute, like it's literally a mini version of the big one. This one has an extra outer layer that you can stuff things in. I always find this outer layer to be a little bit messy or disorganized because I never know what to put in this one, so it just ends up being a lot of like different stuff. Similar to the other one, it has a top pocket here. And also one thing that is cool with this one, it has a separate compartment for laptop. I'm not gonna bring my laptop to Asia, but I like to have things organized, so I'm bringing my book for what is this called? Is it perm? No, that's Norwegian. I'm bringing this thing to keep all of the papers and copies of like tickets and stuff. Also, it is possible to lock this. You can have your passport or stuff inside here. And it also has a side pocket here. You can, for example, have a bottle of water. So now I'm all set. And then for my personal belonging, I'm bringing my Fjällräven backpack. It has one main compartment and one small one in the back. So as you can see, it's quite a lot to travel with, but I think this one is very nice as a day pack. Let's get started with the packing. Where should we begin? Actually, I'm gonna begin with taking off my jacket because it's too hot. Okay, so let's start with this main luggage. Here, these are my clothes that I'm bringing. And then here are all of the other stuff. It actually doesn't look too bad. Let's start with clothes. I don't know if I'm bringing too much or too little. I'm trying to pack as little as possible so that I can fit more stuff in my suitcase for when I go back home. So right now in South Korea, Japan and the Philippines, the temperature is around 30 to 35 degrees, which is very hot. Now in Norway, the temperature is around 15 degrees. So I'm gonna need some time to declimatize, to get used to the weather. Anyways, so I'm bringing one dress that's very thin, so it'll probably be nice for the temperatures. A thin pair of pants, skirt that is very thin, short jeans, another pair of short jeans, and a third pair of short pants, one black skirt, and then I'm bringing two very thin pants in black and gray. Let's see if it fits in this. If you haven't started packing in packing cubes, you have to try. It's a game changer. It is amazing. Like, see how like tall this is right now? When you press it in this packing cube, it fits perfectly. This is my main packing cube of clothes. In here, yes, perfect. This Osprey bag also has a lot of straps. That was like bottoms. And then for tops, I'm bringing 4 tops, one in a different kind of fabric. I actually have one long sleeve top. Maybe I shouldn't bring this one. It's 30 degrees. I'm not gonna bring that. Another one t-shirt, 2 more tops. So I basically have 9 tops with me, which is probably too much. So for this one, I have a smaller packing cube. Then here I have some beach clothes, pajamas, and an even smaller packing cube. These are so cute, I love them. And then here I have just underwear. So that's all of the clothes that I'm bringing. Let's see the other stuff. I'm bringing bikinis. So for toiletries, I'm bringing this bag. I really like that it's see-through, then it's easy to see what I need. I'm bringing a big bottle of sunscreen, a gel if I get mosquito bites, or actually when I get mosquito bites, because I always get mosquito bites. Mouthwash, a sunscreen for face, conditioner, shampoo, soap, mosquito repellent needs to go in here. And then I'm also bringing this big bottle of body lotion, 500 milliliters. This is definitely not the definition of a light packer. Makeup remover wipes. And then I have another pharmacy bag. Welcome to my pharmacy. In here I have allergy pills for when I get mosquito bites because they get so big. Imodium, band-aids for blisters, melatonin for the jet lag, actually 2. Ido foam, paracetamol, band-aids, Q-tips, face masks if I need that. And then I also have a toiletry bag, some makeup, face cream, stuff like that I haven't packed yet. And that's it for this luggage, actually. Doesn't look that much. Oh yeah, I think I'm also gonna bring this weight-to-weight luggage. And then I'm bringing this bag for either laundry or, yeah, I don't know. I can roll this clip onto the bag if I need to. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it, but I hope so. See, camera stuff, basically different stuff for the GoPro. So let's move on to the hand luggage. I'm bringing contact lenses, enough for 1 month. I'm not sure if this goes as liquid, but in case I put it in this 1 liter bag together with antibac, sunscreen and toothpaste. I'm gonna put these ones in the compartment at the top so it's easy to access when I have to take this out at the airport. I'm bringing a waterproof phone case, other electronic stuff, chargers, power bank. I have this cute phone fan. You just attach this to your phone and it literally just fans you. Then I'm bringing a on-the-go toiletry bag. I feel like I have so many toiletries. In this one I have a sleeping mask because on the plane, body butter is not liquid. A toothbrush, like not earplugs, what is this called? To not hear anything. A hand and face wipes and just some paracetamol for headaches. So this is just like a reserve kit. I think I'm also gonna bring this rain poncho. It's most likely gonna rain some days. I'm bringing some snacks on the plane. Nutrilett, protein, I really like them. Some nuts, some Norwegian chocolate. These are so much better than Kit Kats. It's not the same. Everyone that tries to say that it's the same, it is not. And I'm bringing my sunglasses. I'm also bringing compression socks because I'm an old person. I wore them last time to the plane to Costa Rica and they felt really nice. Maybe it's just mentally, like I don't want to get blood-stopping thing. The annoying thing is that they're big, so they take quite a lot of space. Some gum, tissues. And of course, I'm bringing a pillow for the plane. What is it called? So you can actually clip this. It said that you could also roll it. It doesn't really make a difference. And then I'm also bringing some face masks if I need that, or for the plane. For the airport outfit, I'm just wearing jogging pants, white t-shirt, and a sweater. I'm excited to go. I'm putting all of my snacks in this outer compartment that I said is gonna be messy, and it's definitely messy. So as you can see, I have quite a lot of space left. You can keep very tight with these straps. So I'm actually gonna try to put this one on the outer pocket here, because this is what you can do with Osprey that are actually compatible. But this one, it looks nice. Here we go. This one isn't either completely full. This actually looks so much better than I thought. So now that you've seen all of the things that I've packed, I actually don't have this filled up, which is nice because then I have more space for things to bring back home. I can show you a little bit about these products. So I bought this because I wasn't sure if I was gonna be able to use the wheels everywhere, but now that I think about it, I think I'll probably be able to roll it most places. So obviously when you have this combination with these wheels and this backpack, it takes more space out of the 60 liters and more kilos. For me right now, it's okay since I haven't filled this up. And then it's supposed to be quite nice to wheel. It's quite stable that you can actually stuff this inside so you don't have to have these out here in the open. Zip up here. Put these inside here. So now you have like a clean surface and it's easy to just stow away. This one I can show you just quickly how you take out the backpack. So this opens up like this. And then you have your straps here that you just have to click on place. First, you just pull out these, what is it called? For back support. Get this away in here. Clip on this one to here. This one. So you can easily notice that it's the wrong one because the right ones click very easily. Then you just have to click these two for the back support into the bottom. And then you're all set. You can also change the back here, like some adjustments. Let's try this on. I think my backpack right now is around 11 kilos. It's way too far down. Pull these straps. And then we have these for support. It's supposed to be around your lower stomach, I think. That's what the lady in the store told me. So now I can easily carry this on my back. But then I have to carry this one either just like this, or I can take out the straps and have it on my stomach. So that's it for this video. I hope it was useful for you. Thank you for watching this video and packing with me to Asia. I'm so excited to be leaving in 6 days. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, see you. Bought these specific, oh my god, I'm sorry. Sorry, that was my sister calling. What was I saying?